All right, I have a wonderful tool pocket set of STREBITO tools here. They come in this awesome little carrying case. It is hard covered. It's going to protect your tools. It's got this wonderful little snap feature where basically it kind of acts like a quick opening cupboard or cabinet with the little spring-loaded mechanism. You can see there in the bottom, but pops out of the case. All of the tool pieces are held in place by magnetic array. You have 36 different tool sets in here. You have everything from, you know, your traditional hex, tri-point, triangular, star, flathead, security, Torx security, all the different sizes in the traditional working sets of devices such as a phone, video games, cameras, you know, small electronics. Think of it that way, of course. That's what you're working with here. You have 4mm drivers. These are all made out of S2 steel. As I'll pull closer here, S2 steel is a especially hard tool steel that is designed to prevent deformation. It's designed to be very reliable. It's going to hold up over the long use of time, so you don't have to worry about your tool set wearing out, especially when you're getting into different pieces and stuff, particularly hard screws that are to turn or loosen. These guys are going to hold their shape. They're not going to deform on you like you'll see with traditional cheaper sets of tools. Going through here, you have your 3 working tools. We have what we call just basically kind of the spanner. This is for removing the plastic cases, doing different type of work like that of splitting and getting into where you can actually use the hardware. This is just a nice little tweezers that they've included. Protective cover, has a good size to it. You know, it's got a nice ergonomic feel. You can get in there, you can reach, grab the things you need to grab, pull those out. You know, it's just a nice little add-on to any kit like this that you're doing. And then of course the workhorse, we have the driver here, or the screwdrivers, a lot of people will call it. We have a loose end, so we can rotate quickly and hold position. I like to do something kind of like this, where you're able to allow the fingers to free spin, but you can work out a long threaded screw. Just kind of going in here, I'm going to pull out my Phillips 000 bit. I've got a 00 here. Magnetic connections, so you don't have to worry about your tool tip falling out. Again, all the different tool types you have. This is a 17mm deep bit, so you're going to be able to get past a lot of those different security features that manufacturers include, like a deep well socket. You know, they're purposely putting these deep plastic wells in there to prevent you from getting in there with your traditional other bits. This tool set, being professional as it is, it allows you to work on the same stuff. You don't have to spend the money to send this and have somebody else take it apart for you. You know what's wrong with it, you can do it. I have just a wireless headset here. This is an excellent little product that I use. It allows me to work at home and do other tasks. I've been having a little bit of trouble with the spring with the recoil mechanism, so I just figured I'd open this up, and you can see we've got 3 different set screws here holding this mechanism in place. I can use the tool bit to very easily pull those screws out. You see how easy this is. This is almost effortless. And I'm holding this in kind of a little bit of an unusual shape with the finger on the free spin, but that's what's nice about that, is it allows you to rotate the tool and not have to move your hand. So as you can see, you have the magnetic tip. It holds the screw in place until you're able to set it where you want to set it. You want to use it like a traditional pencil, you sure can. You've got to put some additional torque down on something a little bit bigger. It's very easy, very ergonomic. Super recommend these tools. STREBITO just knows how to make this stuff. Again, it's very easy. Magnetic tips. They provide the tweezers with it. You've got the spanner to split different cases without damaging your products. And it comes in this just wonderful case here. Again, I just want to show you this I just love the little, you know, the press button snap. It's almost like you're pulling out a fine piece or a fine tool set, and boom, it's like, here, what do you need? So I love that aspect of it. Again, with any of these types of tools, I recommend STREBITO. High quality, high durability. They let you work as the professional that you are.